Once upon a time, nestled near the high mountains, lay a tranquil village. In this village lived a kind-hearted boy named Gyan. Every morning, he would take his goats up the mountain paths. The jingle of the goats' bells and the cool breeze filled his heart with joy. One day, while grazing his flock, a faint rustling sound came from the bushes. Gyan stopped. The goats too backed away in fear. Gyan bravely approached the bushes. He peered inside and his eyes widened in surprise. There lay a small wounded wolf cub. It was weak, shivering, and blood was oozing from its leg. Gyan spoke softly. "Oh, you poor thing, don't be afraid. I won't hurt you." Gyan tore a piece of his shawl to bandage the wound. He gently picked it up and carried it back to the village with his goats. The villagers were scared. "Gyan, it's a wolf. When it grows up, it will cause harm." But Gyan smiled and replied, "A heart that knows pain will never harm anyone." For many days, Gyan cared for it. He gave it milk, applied ointment, and lovingly stroked its fur. Slowly, the wolf cub began to heal. The fear in its eyes was replaced by trust. Gyan named it Barak because he bounded with great speed. The bond within a few days, Barak began to play with the goats. The goats too grew fond of him. Gyan, Barak, and the goats would run and play on the hill, watching the changing colors of the evening sky. Then, one day, danger arrived. It was evening. Suddenly, a pack of wild dogs emerged from the other side of the mountain. Hearing their hungry barks, the goats scattered in terror. Gyan panicked. He screamed, "Barak!" Sitting high on the hill, Barak instantly stood up and ran towards Gyan with all his might. Upon reaching them, he stood in front of the goats and roared loudly at the wild dogs. The dogs halted. Barak leapt among them like a lion, pushing one, chasing another away. Seeing his courage and strength, the wild dogs got scared and finally they all ran away. Gyan ran and hugged Barak. "Barak, you saved us. You truly are a hero." Barak touched Gyan's hand with his cold nose as if to say, "Friends always protect each other." From that day on, the villagers understood that no matter how frightening an animal may seem, love and care can turn it into a friend. Barak was now the protector of the entire village.